So I just received my package from Prada. I ordered a pair of shoes from the Prada and Adidas collaboration. Now inside the box you'll find this pouch. It's used to hold your receipt. I all of a sudden feel very fancy. So these shoes are made with recycled materials, which is pretty cool that they're able to do that if you think about it. And this plaque in the corner is made out of real metal, which is pretty legit. I thought this was ribbon, but it's actually an elastic band. So let's open this box up. It's very well packaged. Now, the dust bags feel pretty cheap. They don't feel like something you would hold onto. I wonder if these are actually recyclable. And here are the sneakers. They are the high tops with the little pouches right on the side. Now, these are very reminiscent to two other very popular shoe styles from Prada. We've got these combat boots, which I feel like every single influencer owns a pair. And then these high top sneakers. I'm gonna be honest, these styles really didn't do it for me. Conceptually, I really liked them. However, I didn't really feel like they were easy to wear. However, when I saw this collaboration with Adidas and Prada, this was the fusion that I needed. These are very wearable, plus they have that little trendy aspect, the little pouch on the side. They are mostly made out of that Prada nylon. You got the leather on the stripes and maybe on the upper portion, and then that top strap. And if we flip these guys over, this is what the sole looks like. Just a typical Adidas sole. Again, sizing is very tricky with Prada. I would definitely consult the size chart. I was advised to go up half a size, which I did, and I'm very thankful that I did that. They say that this shoe runs a little bit narrow. All right, so let's take a closer look at the pouch. This guy comes right off. There's a little snap closure. When it's snapped and in place, it is very secure, so you don't have to worry about it just falling off. It's actually a really cool concept. This guy is padded pretty significantly. It's pretty tiny in person. I don't know that you could carry a lot in there. And it does have that metal ring on top, so I wonder if you could actually use this for another Prada accessory. So I wanted to see if this can actually fit a pair of AirPods. Here are my AirPod Pros, and they're in a case. So let's see if it fits. Oh, it's actually a perfect fit. And that would zip up no problem. And the front strap stays in place with Velcro. So they also had a pair of low tops, same exact style with the pouch, except it was on the laces and not on the side. So I figured, what if I took the superstars from the previous Prada and Adidas collaboration and do the same thing and stick the pouch on the laces? Is it a vibe? I'm here to tell you, I don't hate it.